Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Microsoft Word document into a PowerPoint presentation. Turning a Word document into a PowerPoint file helps transform static text into dynamic visual content, making your presentation more engaging and easier to understand for your audience. To begin, open the Microsoft Word document you want to convert. Before converting, it's important to make sure your document is properly organized and formatted, as this will ensure a smooth and accurate conversion into PowerPoint. Once the document is open, select all the text. On Windows, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. On a Mac, press Command+A. With all the text selected, go to the Style section and change the style of the entire document to Heading 2. Next, locate the main titles or section headings in your document. Select each title and change its style to Heading 1. Keep in mind that every Heading 1 will become a new slide in the PowerPoint presentation, so make sure your titles are set correctly before continuing. After formatting the text, look at the title bar at the top of Microsoft Word and click the small down arrow to customize the Quick Access toolbar. From the menu, click More Commands. In the Choose Commands from drop-down menu, select All Commands. Scroll down the list until you find the option labeled Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Select it, then click the Add button to move it to the Quick Access toolbar. Once done, click OK to apply the changes. You will now see the Send to Microsoft PowerPoint icon in the title bar. Click this icon, and Microsoft Word will automatically convert your document into a PowerPoint presentation file. Once the conversion is complete, the PowerPoint file will open, and you can edit, adjust, and format the slides according to your needs. When you're finished, simply save the new PowerPoint presentation. That's how easy it is to convert a Microsoft Word document into a PowerPoint presentation. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.